Are you looking for ways to increase the profits in your salon? In this video, I'm gonna share with you what has worked for me. As a salon owner, I'm always looking for ways to increase revenue and invest back in my team. One of the smartest decisions I've made? Working with SoColor from Matrix as our permanent line. It's made a real difference both to the bottom line and to the perks we can offer our stylists. Let's be honest, the cost of running a salon is constantly increasing. Product cost, rent, utilities, it all adds up. That's why getting the most value for your money is crucial. SoColor delivers incredible quality at a price point that's significantly more competitive than the other leading brands. In fact, SoColor, along with the rest of Matrix Color, comes in a 3-ounce tube, and the leading competitor charges $4 more for only 2 ounces. The math is pretty simple, and later I'm gonna share with you a new tool you can use to check out your savings. Now listen, an exceptional price doesn't mean compromising on quality. Absolutely not. SoColor provides rich, true-to-tone, long-lasting color that our clients rave about. The gray coverage is exceptional, and the shades are gorgeous. The formula actually leaves the hair feeling strong, color after color. Plus, SoColor is pre-bonded, meaning as a salon owner, I don't have to purchase anything additional to add to my formulas because the work is already done for us. This superior quality translates directly into increased revenue. Happy clients become loyal clients, and they're more likely to recommend your salon to others. We've seen a noticeable increase in client retention because we're able to offer competitive pricing in our community, all due to the increased profitability working with SoColor. But the benefits don't stop there. Because we're saving money on color cost without sacrificing quality, we can reinvest those savings into our team and our business. We've been able to offer more competitive commissions, better benefits, and invest in ongoing education and training. This not only boosts morale, but also attracts and retains top talent. Happy stylists lead to happy clients. It's a win-win. And Matrix has a loyalty program that helps us earn points towards things we can reinvest in our salon, like education. Partnering with Matrix also brings the prestige of a respected brand. Clients recognize and trust the name, giving them confidence in the services we offer. They know they're getting a premium product which enhances their overall salon experience. So if you're looking to boost your salon's profitability and create a more rewarding environment for your team, I highly recommend SoColor. It's a smart business decision that delivers outstanding results. You get exceptional quality at an exceptional price, allowing you to increase revenue, invest in your team, and build a stronger, more successful salon. If you're interested in learning more about the savings you can get when switching to SoColor Pre-Bonded, check out the SoColor calculator on Matrix's website, linked in the description below. In it, you can enter your current permanent color cost and the number of weekly services to find out what you can save when partnering with Matrix. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments below or by liking this video. And be sure to let us know, is there any other business building content you would like us to create? Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more hair color and business building tips. Thanks for hanging out with me. I can't wait for you to make the switch and get SoColor rich.